For decades, pharmaceutical manufacturing relied on slow, manual batch processes, mixing, testing, waiting, and repeating. This method, while reliable, was inefficient and costly, with frequent bottlenecks and a high risk of human error. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed just how fragile and outdated these systems were, as factories struggled to meet urgent global demand. Shortages and delays became common, highlighting the vulnerability of long, complex supply chains. The industry realized it couldn't keep up with modern healthcare needs using old methods. Drug development was already expensive, and the stop-and-start nature of batch manufacturing only added to the cost and risk. Manual quality checks slowed everything down, sometimes delaying life-saving medicines by weeks. Even a small mistake could ruin an entire batch, wasting millions and threatening supply. The wake-up call was clear. Pharma needed a smarter, faster, and more resilient approach. Why stick with outdated techniques when other industries were embracing automation and data-driven systems? The answer was obvious. It was time for a revolution. The industry began to envision a new era, one powered by data, automation, and intelligent systems. The goal? To build agile, connected factories that could adapt quickly and deliver medicines reliably. This shift marks the birth of Pharma 4.0, a new foundation for how we make the medicines the world depends on. The old recipe book is closed. The future of pharma manufacturing has arrived. Pharma 4.0 is the pharmaceutical industry's leap into the digital age, a complete rethink of how medicines are made. Inspired by the broader Industry 4.0 movement, it's about creating smart, connected, and highly automated factories. The centerpiece is continuous manufacturing, a seamless, non-stop process where raw materials flow in and finished medicines come out, all under tight digital control. This approach slashes production times and ensures consistent quality from start to finish. Data is the lifeblood. Factories bristle with sensors, feeding real-time information to AI systems that monitor and optimize every step. Smart factories use robotics, AI, and advanced analytics to predict maintenance, automate quality checks, and adapt instantly to new demands. Companies like Amgen and Pfizer are already building these next-generation facilities, making production faster, safer, and more flexible. The result? Factories that can pivot quickly, whether it's for a new cancer therapy or a global health emergency. Pharma 4.0 isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation of the entire manufacturing philosophy. The future of medicine is being built right now, one smart factory at a time. In Pharma 4.0, artificial intelligence is the brain behind the operation. AI sifts through mountains of sensor data, spotting patterns and problems faster than any human could. Predictive maintenance is a game changer. AI learns how machines behave and schedules repairs before breakdowns happen, keeping production smooth. During drug manufacturing, AI monitors countless variables in real time, instantly correcting deviations to ensure every pill meets strict standards. Companies like Pfizer use AI to inspect products on the fly, catching defects that used to slip through manual checks. This shift means quality is built into the process, not just tested at the end. AI also helps optimize everything from raw material use to final product yield, uncovering hidden efficiencies. With AI, decisions are data-driven and continuous, not based on occasional samples. Smarter factories mean safer, more reliable medicines for everyone. Automation and robotics are the hands of the smart factory, performing precise, repetitive tasks with unmatched consistency. In pharma, robots handle delicate jobs, filling vials, assembling devices, and packaging medicines, reducing contamination and human error. Robotic arms work around the clock in sterile environments, ensuring every dose is identical and safe. Autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, transport materials across the factory, streamlining logistics and freeing up human workers for higher-value tasks. These robots navigate on their own, avoiding obstacles and optimizing routes. The result is a dramatic boost in quality, safety, and efficiency. Robots also take on hazardous jobs, protecting workers from dangerous substances. Automation means factories can scale up quickly to meet surges in demand, crucial during health emergencies. With robotics, pharma manufacturing is faster, safer, and more reliable than ever. The future is automated, and it's already here. Imagine a virtual replica of your entire factory, a digital twin, mirroring every process in real time. This technology lets manufacturers simulate changes, optimize operations, and train staff without any real-world risk. Digital twins are fed by live sensor data, making them powerful tools for predicting outcomes and preventing problems before they happen. Real-time release testing, RTRT, is another breakthrough. Instead of waiting days for lab results, quality is checked continuously as medicines are made. RTRT means batches can be released immediately, slashing production cycles and getting drugs to patients faster. Companies like Johnson & Johnson are already using these tools to build quality in, not just test for it after the fact. This proactive approach prevents defects and reduces waste. Digital twins and RTRT are transforming quality control from a bottleneck into a competitive advantage. The future of pharma is virtual, real-time, and always improving. You might expect regulators to slow innovation, but the FDA is actively supporting Pharma 4.0. The agency's emerging technology program helps companies collaborate with regulators early, smoothing the path for new manufacturing methods. The FDA has championed continuous manufacturing, publishing guidance, and approving the first such drug in 2015. This support gives companies confidence to invest in advanced technologies. The FDA is also modernizing oversight, exploring remote inspections and real-time data monitoring to match the pace of smart factories. By evolving its own processes, the FDA is ensuring that innovation leads to safer, more effective medicines. Regulation and innovation are working hand in hand to shape the future of pharma. The revolution is happening, with the FDA's blessing. The road to Pharma 4.0 isn't easy. Major hurdles stand in the way. Upfront costs for new tech and facilities are steep, especially for smaller companies. The workforce needs new skills in data science, robotics, and AI, requiring major investments in training and education. Cybersecurity is critical. Every connected device is a potential target, and data integrity is non-negotiable. Integrating diverse systems from different vendors is a complex technical challenge. Achieving seamless, secure data flow across the factory and supply chain demands careful planning and vision. Overcoming these obstacles is essential to unlock the full potential of smart manufacturing. The transformation is a marathon, not a sprint, but the rewards are worth the effort. The future belongs to those who adapt, invest, and innovate. Pharma 4.0 is a challenge, but it's also an opportunity. The benefits of Pharma 4.0 are game-changing. Faster drug development and approval mean patients get life-saving treatments sooner. Digital twins and real-time testing cut months off production timelines. Continuous manufacturing is leaner and greener, reducing waste and energy use. Smart factories strengthen domestic supply chains, making countries less vulnerable to global disruptions. The technology also enables personalized medicines, tailored treatments that traditional factories can't produce. Advanced robotics and AI manage the complexity of these new therapies. Pharma 4.0 isn't just improving old medicines, it's making entirely new cures possible. The revolution is delivering on its promise: faster, safer, and more innovative healthcare for all. The future of medicine is being built today. We're at a turning point in medicine. Pharma 4.0 is here, transforming how drugs are made and delivered. This revolution depends on people as much as technology. The workforce of tomorrow needs skills in data, robotics, and analytics. Lifelong learning and adaptability are essential for everyone in the industry. As AI takes on more responsibility, we must rethink our roles and embrace new partnerships between humans and machines. The goal is a level of quality and certainty never seen before. The next chapter in medicine is ours to write, together with technology, for a healthier world. The future starts now.